Elizabeth Conley out in Portland, Oregon learned what all of us will have to learn sooner or later, namely that we must accept and cooperate with the inevitable. It is so. It cannot be otherwise. That is not an easy lesson to learn. Even kings on their thrones have to keep reminding themselves of it. The late George V had these framed words hanging on the wall of his library in Buckingham Palace. Teach me neither to cry for the moon nor over spilt milk. The same thought is expressed by Schopenhauer in this way. A good supply of resignation is of the first importance in providing for the journey of life. Obviously, circumstances alone do not make us happy or unhappy. It is the way we react to circumstances that determines our feelings. Jesus said that the kingdom of heaven is within you. That is where the kingdom of hell is too. From the book, the Dale Carnegie Omnibus, Volume 2, How to Stop Worrying and Start Living, and How to Enjoy Your Life and Your Job. God bless. Godspeed.